Hello again, Ronnie from Great Annexe Co. Now, if you are in the hybrid or compact caravan market with your possibly manual or electric box awnings that come off, this is the type of outdoor setup we can achieve for you. On this particular hardcore van, it's got the electric box awning, and this gentleman has gone to the effort of creating a massive outdoor space for when he goes away every Christmas. And what he had to do was essentially get some of his grandkids under cover. He wanted to make sure that he had plenty of shade and weather protection next to the dam and where he goes. I'll take you through it. What we've done here is the electric box awning, which comes stand on the van, finishes here. We added an anti-flap kit to that and extended this room onto the front. We shaped this wall in to get it all nice and watertight against the van. It's all fully tailored. But essentially what he's been able to create is a lot of additional cover here on his fridges as he pulls them out, and also privacy around it all. Now, the cool design that we have, all our windows can roll up as big openings as well, so he'll enjoy this. And with the amount of window openings in this space, he's essentially done a double extension room off the actual awning. Then we've connected those two extension rooms together by one long wall with, again, fully operable windows that allows us to get it nice and open during the day. And then he's put the beer garden on top of, out from the awning to now create this big awning space. So by essentially taking what would have been his 3.8 metre box awning, he's essentially grabbed another 4.5 metres long ways, thereabouts, maybe a bit under, and then he's got his 3.8 metre beer garden on the side. His space is awesome. We tailor-make the skirt for him as well to stop all the breeze and bun coming from under the van. And that seamlessly joins with the two extension rooms either end to create this massive space that's going to serve him quite well. Because we use really good quality materials and really good quality hardware, this unit can take the harshest of afternoon storms and wet, windy weather. As long as you've got proper anchorage on it, it'll be fine. But what a great space we've transformed here on this hardcore caravan. And these are some of the solutions you can have made on your caravan to get that space you may need. If you'd like to know more, get to our website, greatannexeco.com.au, jump onto the Contact Us page and send an email, or hit us up on the instant chat and we can start answering some of your questions. Thanks for watching. We'll speak to you soon.